So over here, you can see that I have this Google Drawing file, and what you can do is you can share out these files with others easily through email as well. So to do that, you have to click on the share button right over here on the top right, and then over here on add people and group, you will have to type the email address of the person that you want to share the file with. So over there, you can also go around and set out the permission level, and in my case, I'm just going to set it as editor, and over here I'm going to say please do check out this file. So I can just attach out a message over here as well and click on send. So once that is done, what happens is that an email is sent out to the other person to view out the file, and they will be able to receive it out just like this. So they can go around over here, and you can see that you have the editor privileges. So you can just open this out on your browser, and you can see that now you can access this out as well. You can make the changes as well, and the changes gets reflected as you can see right here. So since you have editor privileges, you can work around with this. And that is how you can share out files with others through emails inside of Google Drawings. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.